was going to an office meeting and was hit by a car coming around the corner in the underground, fell back, had a head laceration, my leg was smashed. So the lower part of my leg. So I was taken off to emerge, and they did some surgery, put a rod in my shin and whatnot. It was followed by a second surgery a year later, where they determined that I might have been allergic to some of the metal that was in there. So they took some of it out. That really didn't work at all. So I had to have a third surgery where they took everything out. And in the meantime, I had physio and aquatherapy and a psychologist and a social worker and everything I could possibly have.
It kind of changed both of our lives. She went from someone who was working 12 hours a day to someone who couldn't get out of bed without assistance. So it was a complete 180. I was around to help her with, tasks of daily living and that kind of thing, but I didn't really have any idea about the legal process or how she would proceed with the rest of her life. So to have someone around to be able to kind of guide her and reassure her that her needs would be taken care of in the future was huge.
My sister, who's a lawyer in Vancouver, checked with the Law Society, and they suggested a couple of names. And my other sister, who's here, went off and met Jeffrey, liked him, and had heard good things. So we retained him. They've been very thorough. So staff's friendly, really friendly.
Jeff was just really great in kind of outlining the next steps for us at every stage, from getting her therapies lined up to talking about settlements. He always kind of had all the answers that we were looking for and was able to provide any information that we needed, which was great.
The worry was the biggest thing. And he could I constantly sent him long emails, which I don't even know if he even read. But the general message was at the end of it, please don't worry, try and heal, rest and relax. Let me do the worrying for you, which was very comforting.
I just would thank Jeff for helping, my mom on this road to recovery and for helping set her up as best as she can be for the future.